Wewe nani?
Hello?
Na mbona uko na mimi hapa?
Guyeno. Hizi ndo stress za job. Sijui nifanye nini.
My love, that's the whole point.
But my heart is breaking.
Heartbreak imefanya utrena sifu na join army.
Ni stress therapy. Kukopa pesa na kupendwa vibaya huumiza.
Well, at least your waistline is snatched. Heartbreak for gains.
I say if I get abs before closure, it will be worth it.
Please, you need to talk.
I think my reps are more important than your regrets.
Haya, let's go before your ex has bring lunges of shame.
So, this is your secret chilling spot. I see someone keeping a gem to himself.
Huwa naleta wase wenye huwa na vibe nao hapa. It's like you just qualified after joke number 4.
I got layers, Nolan. Are you sure you're ready for all this?
As long as there is no manual, it's a risk.
You know, life is too short not to take hearts.
Just don't take my peace. I'm protective of that.
Are you settling down or just lying better?
Ava, nimechoka. Nimechoka na games. I need something stable.
Then, I guess this is our last walk.
You cool with that?
Honestly, no. But I respect it. Maybe one last link up for closer.
Should it come with kisses? Juu mepiga shughuli sana.
Let's go, Kwako. I won't take much of your time.
Nolan?
That's serious?
He's kind. Na unisikiza. You? Unanichezea too many mind games.
Ona sasa. You are pretending as if you aren't playing too.
Cheki. You wanted a sneaky link. I just played the role.
You are more than those noises. Na kuchafua bed sheets. I thought so.
Maybe in your head. After all, you're still chasing Olivia.
This is peaceful. Like your energy finally matches the setting.
Nimechoka na chaos. I needed a place imetulia.
Can I confess something? I kinda had a crush on Nolan since second year.
Excuse me?
He's fine, smart, smells like cocoa butter and scents. I wouldn't mind an one night thing.
You're mad disrespectful.
Relax, girl. He's your cousin, sindio? So technically, fair game.
Unbelievable. Unaweza nikumbusha while we are friends in the first place.
What do you mean by that?
Kuwa honest. Is he still part of your life?
Huwa ananipigia sometimes, but I ignore him.
Sometimes. That means you answer.
Okay, I did it once, but for closure.
That's how cheating starts. With the once.
Trust me or leave. Don't punish me for being real.
Joy. Me sitaki games. I have been second before.
Then, don't love me like a backup plan.
Hello.
Cheki, acha kunipigia. Nolan's asking questions.
I know you miss me, right? Come honest.
Maybe I missed the drama, but maybe seeing you fall.
Anyway, you are cold.
You made me, so live with it.
Sawa.
You look calm and peaceful.
I've really worked hard for this version of me.
I wish hatuko related. Maybe things ingekuwa fine.
Maybe we were meant to learn, not to love.
Do you ever think about us?
Only when I forget why it ended.
Surprise!
Loser.
What are you doing here, Ava?
Nimesikia Heartbreak lives here now. Nikasema ni checking the king of chaos.
Isn't a joke. Not today.
Okay. I bring you back your hoodie. Or maybe I miss you. Or maybe I don't know how to let either go.
I'm tired of pretending. Nimechoka kwa watu wasi who care of me and think I'm the victim.
Then stop. Change the damn pattern. Say tuko cast. Uko scared. William.
Do you think Olivia is an angel? She's just better at hiding her demons.
Cheki. I'm not comparing you two. Nadai tu kweli.
Lakini, she doesn't like me. Mbona?
Maybe huu unamkumbusha every betrayal amesurvive.
Then stop doubting me for every minute.
Well, this is awkward.